Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to clear app data on the Onn TV.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
So let's get straight into it. I'm going to navigate to quick settings. Follow step by step all settings. So step 1, quick settings. Step 2, all settings. And you're going to come down to step 3, apps. So if you click on apps, now the next thing you do is to select see all apps. That's step 4. And step 5 is to click on the application you wish to clear its data. Maybe you've accumulated a lot of data on maybe YouTube. If you've done that, you want to clear that data, just click on YouTube and go down to the option that says clear data. So you can see if I click on this button, I'll be able to clear 6.04 megabytes. On the Onn TV, your data and space is very important. The box has about 5 gigabytes of storage, give or take. So you want to ensure every bit of it is as free as possible. So click on clear data, and that's the final step here. If you click on OK, all the app's data will be deleted permanently. It even includes your files, your settings, the accounts, the databases, everything. So if you're confirmed and you're sure you want to clear the YouTube data or any app's data, click on OK right there, and it's going to clear. In my case, I'm clicking cancel. I do not want to clear that data, and that's how it goes. That's how you clear all of the app data on your app Onn TV Box. If you found that insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video content just like this.